Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix EA Sports College Football 27 if the sound isn't working on your PC. If you're experiencing no audio, missing sound effects, no commentary, or no in-game music, follow these solutions one by one until the problem is resolved. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open the Start menu and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Click Hardware and Sound. Then select Sound. Under the Playback tab, make sure your speakers or headphones are set as the default playback device. Simply select your audio device and click Set Default. Then click Apply, followed by OK. Now launch the game and check if the sound is working. Solution 2. If the issue continues, right-click your playback device and select Properties. Open the Levels tab. Make sure the volume isn't muted or set to the lowest level. If necessary, increase the volume, then click Apply, followed by OK. Solution 3. Go back to your audio device's Properties window. Open the Advanced tab. Set the default format to either 48,000 Hz or 44,100 Hz. While you're here, you can also uncheck Allow Applications to take exclusive control of this device. Click Apply, and then click OK. Launch the game again and see if the sound has returned. Solution 4. Open the Spatial Sound tab. Set Spatial Sound to Off. Click Apply, then click OK. Now test the game again. Solution 5. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open it. Expand Audio Inputs and Outputs. Right-click your audio device and select Properties. Open the Driver tab. Click Update Driver. Then select Search Automatically for Drivers. Wait while Windows searches for and installs the latest available audio driver. Solution 6. If updating the driver didn't solve the problem, click Update Driver again. Select Browse My Computer for drivers. Then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your audio driver from the list and click Next. Wait for Windows to install the driver. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer. After your PC restarts, launch the game again. Solution 7. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open it. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically for Drivers. Wait while Windows updates your graphics driver. Solution 8. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, open the Start menu and type NVIDIA App. Open the application. Click the Drivers tab. Then click Check for Updates. If a newer driver is available, download and install it. Once the installation is complete, launch EA Sports College Football 27 again. After completing these solutions, launch the game and check if the audio is working correctly. That's all there is to it. Your game should now have working audio, including commentary, crowd sounds, music, sound effects, and all other in-game audio. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more EA Sports College Football 27 tutorials, PC gaming fixes, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.